Can we get even to this position? This position's. But we can't pull it off then. You might have to. Are we stuck? I don't know what that was.
So, what if we change the angle of that?
This dropping position?
Well, so just so that when you're on top of the wall, that all you got to do is just scrape it off.
Can we get that?
I don't know. You got to pull it up in the layout.
I don't think we can scrape it off.
I bet you can. You might have to undo. You might have to change that top angle a little bit.
This angle?
The angle of the last bend.
Yeah.
Right there. So look at the difference. You're gonna have to change it about 45 degrees. And then you could just scrape back. But essentially, what you're saying is that you're not hooking then, are you?
Yeah, we're still hooking.
Do you it'd slap it away instead of hooking it?
That's scaring me there. So if we're all the way back,
It'll work.
we don't want to rip it and
Rip what?
put a lot of pressure on that servo bearing.
By doing what? By yanking on it?
Yanking on it, just slamming back. So if we have
Turn it over. Oh, yeah. That's right.
if we have it so we run into this, we want it to be able to do it when if we overshoot it.
I mean, we could put something on the bottom like you talked about, extend that
This
down and kick out so that defines where we bump against. Right?
Yeah, so when it's here, have it go down, and then when we go out like that,
It's actually sticking out that way.
this way.
Yeah. And
So
that's
it sticks out past.
what we hit. That's what we hit the wall with.
Yeah.
I thought that's what you said earlier.
No, I was saying something kind of like that. Just
But put your hand in there like it's the extension of that plate.
send it to.
So
There.
I don't know if you can make that. It doesn't have to be all the way across.
It just died.
The battery did.
Yeah.